So today we have a 1080 sport cam. Now this one comes built in with 64 gigabytes of memory. It can record up to 10 hours in loop format videos of 5 minutes. It's a 1080p. Night vision with the 4 in infrared LEDs allow you to see, well, the camera can see up to about 6 feet. You can connect this in the computer and it becomes a webcam. 800 milliamp battery, 3.7 volts, rechargeable, and about 3.5 hours. You're ready to go, and will allow you to use up to 6 hours. So now it comes with a clip, 360-degree clip rotation, so allow you to put this right in the helmet and the bike, anywhere you want it, right? Your clothes and your bicycle, whatever. So I'm going to show you the whole thing right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab. What makes this great, again, you can put this right in the color of your dog and see, you know, what the dog is going and recording at the same time. There is many ideas you can do this, right? You can put almost anywhere you want and then keep it right in your clothes. So let's take a look. Let's configure this and I'll show you how to use it also as a webcam right now. All right, so we have the Full HD webcam Sport, 64 gigabyte. Already include. It's a simple device. What we have here, straps, right? So you can hold the camera. That comes with the reset clip and Type-C to Type-A. Thank you card, and then how to use it. Full instructions, but I'll show you all that. I like it because it's a USB-C. Okay, that's the straps to give you an idea. If you want to use yourself, well, you have to install the VLC. I tell you how to do VLC, and you can use this little adapter that will allow you to go from A to C for the camera. We're going to put this on the side and let's take a look at the camera. So it's super small. We have the 2 LEDs, the 4 infrared, the lens, powered on, and the rotation, right? And the clip, 64 gigabytes. Type-C to charge, 3.5 hours. So if you plug it in, it has a blue light, see? And now the red light. So the camera now is start and charging. In the same time, because I plug it in, the camera starts recording. Now to turn off the camera and on, press here once, blue light, and then the camera starts recording. Turn it off, press here once, blue light, and then the camera goes in standby. Press it again, camera starts recording. Press it again, and now how to switch to night vision. Press 2 times there, you see the click there, so that's night vision right now. Just click on it, and the camera records now in night vision. Stop again, no more night vision. Now how we read the videos, I'll show you how that works right now. Now you notice when I plug it in the beginning, so if you apply power to the camera, automatically it starts charging at the same time recording. So you need to turn off the camera by pressing here once, and then now, right, the camera goes in the standby mode and it will charge. So remember, when you plug in the first time will record, press 1, let the LED to be blue, so that way it will full charge. Okay, we are ready now. Now when you charge, when you put it right on with USB cable in your computer, if it's too light, it's because it requires charge. In that case, it's only one full and it's already connected in the computer. So if you go right on my computer, in my case it's a K drive, can be K, can be D, E, F, depends how many drive you have there. If you look here, when we open that directory, we see video and time. Come here. If you want the time to be imprinted in your video, then you put the letter no here. If you want yes, and set the time, year and date, right, manually. Click save, unplug the camera from here, right, turn it off, turn it on, and now automatically will record the time. And you come here and you will be able to see the videos. I'm going to grab the video, I'm going to paste it into the video so you guys can see that. And you will see here play and that's it. How we can turn this into a webcam was pretty simple, right? If the camera I do not turn it on the camera. So when I plug in like this, it becomes to read the file. If I turn it on right now, it will disconnect as a drive and it will connect it now as a webcam. And I'll show you what happened. If I switch here and I turn on the camera, you see that what happened? Automatically, my window quit. It's gone. My K drive is gone. Why? Because now this is a webcam. See that is blinking? So let me activate that window so you guys can see this as a webcam. By the way, it's Sound Plus UVC, the name of the driver. So I'm gonna go here and I go like this, and now you see this as a webcam. You see my green screen in the back. You see that? So this is now this little camera that I'm pointing right over here. Yeah, see, and it's cool. Now, if you put this, maybe hold this around the display, you no longer have that movement, right? So it becomes like a simple camera to use. Remember, the idea for this is just use as a clip. Get the camera, right? That automatically gets connected. Put your camera anywhere you want it. Get in your back or whatever, and that's it. Done, right? So let me show you the video. The video I record right now. You can see how that works as well too. All right, so we tested the camera. One thing I forgot to tell you is when the memory is full, you can always delete the videos, or you can format, right? Just format the drive like any other drive. When you connect to your computer, you right clicking on it on the drive, right, and you just go click and format, and it will automatically delete everything. One way to do it. And after that, I guess we say goodbye. Remember, I leave you the link right below this video. See you next time. Bye.